Welcome back everyone. This is part 5 of AutoCAD 2027 tutorial for beginners series based on real USA University engineering drawing exercises from the book Tutorial Guide to AutoCAD 2026 by Shawna Lockhart. In today's tutorial we will create the top view, front view and the side view of a manhole junction using orthographic projection and third angle projection methods in AutoCAD 2027 version. The overall wall thickness is 6 inches and the 10-inch hole passes completely through the manhole junction. We will start with the top view. First is the base formation. The overall size is 7 feet by 7 feet. Before starting, let's set the units. Change the type to engineering. And since the dimensions are given up to 2 decimal places, set the precision to 0 feet, 0.00 inches and set the insertion scale to inches. Now I'll switch the 3D model to top view and create the base using rectangle command. Make sure to mention the feet symbol while entering the dimensions, otherwise AutoCAD will treat them as inches. Next, using hidden layer, offset the inner wall by 6 inches. Now project the cylindrical portion as shown. Since it is hollow, we need to project both the outer and the inner circles. Next, project the through hole using hidden line on both sides as shown. And with that, the top view is complete. Now I'll orbit the 3D model to the front side. The overall front dimension is 7 feet by 8 feet. So create the outer rectangle using the zero layer. Use line command, project the cylinder from the front side. The cylinder height is 4 feet. Now switch to hidden layer and offset the inner wall inward. Extend the cylinder's inner wall up to this hidden line because the inner portion is completely hollow. Next, project the through hole located at a height of 2 feet 6 inches. Since this edge is visible from the front, switch it back to zero layer. Now for the left side view, the front and the side views are almost identical. So I'll copy the front view towards the left. The through hole projection will appear like this. So using extensions, create these hidden lines as shown. Then erase the circle. And with that, the orthographic views are complete. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand the projection process more clearly. See you in the next AutoCAD tutorial. Bye everyone.